buddy's cabin. He's got a couple cabins up in Talkeetna. Go up there and do some riding next few days and just hang out, burn some fuel.
Bailey, can you please tell me what just happened?
I just sneezed and I blew out my zyn-achinno out of my mouth.
And where is it?
Just gone. I don't know. Just got to Talkeetna. We're all settled in our little cabin here. Our buddy's letting us use for the next couple nights and planning on doing a bunch of riding and hanging out around here, helping out around the cabin.
You're not gonna tell them about all the good food we're gonna cook this weekend?
Oh yeah, I cook a lot of food, but you guys already know that.
Stay tuned! So, we're at the cabin. We have some gray jays flying around. So Bailey went and got a hot dog bun, and we're gonna attempt to have the gray jay land in Bailey's hand to eat the hot dog bun. So we'll see what happens. Bailey's got the bread chunk on his leg. He's waiting for the approach.
Fucking told me I could do it.
Nice.
Oh god, the box is tipping towards you! Hey, the box is tipping towards you!
Where'd the box go?
That was Good morning. We just got up, had some breakfast sandwiches, and now we are gonna jump on the sleds and head up to the rock and go down into a drainage and go do some riding.
Come on in, Ray.
Mile 9.
Mile 9.
Thanks for letting us join you. Got any wise words for today? Stay together. Oh, that tailgate works perfectly. You okay?
Yeah,
it's close? No, nothing got hurt? Dude, there's no way she could do this. I don't even know if I could fucking do this. Hey, nice and easy in, and then when you get to the bottom, just power out. Nice and easy in, and then when you get to the bottom and start to come up, just power out and fucking pin it. It ain't really that as bad as it looks.
But don't worry about getting stuck. I'd rather do that than hit the tree.
What fucking tree?
Just go slow and steady the whole time.
What fucking trees?
I don't think it looks that bad.
Oh, you got it. This would be easier than your roll was.
So our neighbor's got a little like A-frame built on the other side of this.
You tore it up. You can't do this. I had faith in your wife, bro.
I did not.
She's got that shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you wet?
No.
We're in a pond right now.
Oh,
A lake, a creek.
I'm dry.
Hell yeah! I feel like this probably ain't much Get a pic for YouTube.
Decided to pull Jamie out of a creek bottom. Found her way in the only wet spot we've seen so far. Nothing's broke yet. That's good. Eating deer sticks. I'm not gonna say 100%, but I think these are Wolverine straps. This is where claws were picked up when he was walking, going that way. I think.
Still there? Still there?
Oh, got him.
Ptarmigan is Alaska's state bird. This is a willow ptarmigan. It's a male. They got a cool orange patch on top of their head
How can you tell it's a male?
because of that orange patch. And they got feathers on their feet.
Oh, cool. The orange patch is what means it's a boy?
I believe so. And see, this one is actually starting to turn colors because we're getting later in the winter, so it's going to turn back to brown and black. They change colors in the winter and in the fall to white to blend in with the snow. I'm gonna put them in here. Rookie's gonna be so happy.
What'd you shoot it with?
Shot it with the Kel-Tec P2000, sub 2000, 9mm. So I just split apart the skin on the breast. Now I'm gonna cut the breast meat out.
How big is it?
You wanna see it? Not very big. Smaller than chicken.
Is that it? What is that?
This is a ptarmigan. This is actually Alaska's state bird, and you're allowed to hunt them. So I shot this one today when we were out riding, and we're gonna cook it up on the grill.
Oh.
You don't have to eat it if you don't want to, but I promise you it's gonna be delicious. It's gonna taste better than chicken. So what I'm doing is just I'm splitting this from the breastbone here and just carving down the edge of it. I can't believe our dog is on over here right now. Going crazy over the bird.
I don't know where she is.
I hear her. That's it. 2 little breast pieces. We'll put some oil on them and then we'll put salt and pepper on them and just cook them really quick and hot in the barbecue. Ptarmigan steaks.
Okay, go. I need you to do it a little more Guy Fieri-y. Alright, give us a review, Bailey.
I don't know. This will be my first time ever eating ptarmigan. It feels not very tender. Seems like it's gonna be a little chewy.
You think that's because of the bird or because of the cooker?
Probably the cooker. I didn't have the grill hot enough, but it's the Alaska wild game snack for everybody to chew on before we eat moose tacos. Brooks thinks it smells good.
Hubba, hubba, look at this big, strong guy. That looks pretty good.
Looks way better than it does in real life.
Shut up. No, it's okay. I can mute it.